symbols, and this is the gate of Laima. The gate of Laima, and
Laimas dvaras.
marks the boundary between this world and other world. As we cross this place, we go to other world.
Ejam kitam svetam. Spart sniegt, bet mēs ejam kitam svetam. Pagausi arvi zīma. Pa snaigu turimai tulant zentlai, bez tās simboliski, kai zentlai klepasi pa snaigu.
This is the place where we venerate the ancestors, and we have
Protetians,
the stones that have been here in this country since ancient times, and some of them are completely nature-made, as they are. Some of them have additional carvings. Anyway,
Dēmen prusiskan karangun.
afterwards also to take a photo here, and the main thing is that each of the stones what you see here, they are actually newly made.
Камуфляжа тільки турі та працює. Постійно.
Ats neturi kamufliažan, tās snaigs.
Having a stone which resembles us, the ancestors, that is a very long tradition which has been also documented in several chronicles and records. What is interesting though, that on this side, among many stones, there are two small ones that seem a bit like a phallus. So, if ladies want more children, if they want to have easy childbirth, then they may put some offering here. So each stone can become special for the person who comes.
Zentliek gana kuitī turtun. Dabar kitam smalnikans pravērus tā neparautun. Preistan stabams. Spart stulan visam.
Yeah,
Each
looks
of them
good.
have some kind of personality, the same as our ancestors. Each of them had their own